Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 DirectX setup and internal system error occurred. First method is type netplwiz in Windows search bar, click netplwiz. Select your username, click Properties, click Group Membership tab, check Administrators, click Apply, click OK. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Backup registry for future any problem. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft, click DirectX. Open installed version. Delete all values. Type 4.09.00.0904. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.